Sorry. Okay, but to get there, then need to go here. Heating properties. Again, we use full German bottom heaters, and this is something new. You pay attention to this. Unplug. Unplug. That was, or dark infrared Taiwanese 60 millimeters, but you don't want to work with that. You are fan of the dual digital display, digital control, including all the functions, not only heating but cooling in your display. 50 curves here for you to choose and program all you want, and or plug and play system. So this is the Bird 8888. Why 4 H? Because it has 4 heads. 4 technologies. So it's digital display and it's full heater. Top heater in the world, and we have it here also. So again, 10 seconds. Plug. Our smart system is going to change between powers, because this is 150 watts, this is going to be 800, this is going to be 350, this is going to be 800 watts, and all those changes are going to happen immediately when you do the plug and play or the unplug and play. You go to your PID 8888 and you choose if you are going to use the whole bottom heater or just half of it, and go.